Morning and welcome to another vlog. Again, not naked. So today what my plan is, because I am home alone whilst Harry's at work, my plan is, it is like, I think it's like 9:15 or something now. I did have a bit of a lie-in, and by lying I mean I slept till 8 and then I lay in bed for a bit and I've been in the shower. My plan is to tidy and declutter the entire house. So this is going to be like a vlog slash speed cleaning video. I've wanted to do like a proper speed cleaning video before, but I just didn't think it'd be of any interest. And also, if I did a speed cleaning video, I'd want the house to be in like an absolute state in order to show you how like I properly clean, if that makes any sense. And at the moment I've been like cleaning every single day because I've been so petrified that I'd end up going into hospital, and then I'd come back from the hospital with a newborn baby into a really messy house. And yeah, I'm going to bring you on today. So I hope this is an enjoyable vlog. Really setting myself up there. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready now. I think I'm just gonna stick on a maternity loungewear because I want to be comfortable and stuff. And Harry took the hairbrush downstairs. I can't be bothered to go downstairs and get the hairbrush, so I'm probably just gonna like blast on my hair. I didn't even condition it today, which is like disgusting, so excuse the way that I look today. Just want to say I have been using this like weekly planner from Tiger, and I've been using it for the whole of this year, and then I bought one last year as well, and I think they're absolutely amazing. Like, I plan when I'm going to upload, I plan when I'm going to put on my blog posts or on YouTube. I can put what week I am pregnancy wise, any hospital appointments. They're really good, and I keep them in the office. But I think when the baby arrives, we will be moving it downstairs, because obviously like we'll need to know more like appointments, more like on tap, and if they're downstairs it's easier. And I can put like Harry's work shifts, and then if I have to do anything in them, we can really like coordinate. And I think they're really good. I think it was about £4, £3-4. I wanted to show you this. I know it's really random that I'm showing you this, but this was last week's, so I'm going to tear off this week. And oh my god, look at this week. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Ah! How crazy is that? Like, I remember putting it in like at the very beginning of the year when I got it, and thinking, oh my god, that is so long away. That is going to take ages to get there. And it's literally like pulling out last week's. It has literally come around so super quick. But yeah, I just thought if anyone's like an organisation freak like me, have everything written down so you know, then this is like a really great thing. You can keep all the pages in there and just like add, but I like to have it like at the forefront, so when I walk into the office it's just there. I also use it to like, I've been using it to write down my symptoms and stuff like that, so when I go to film like a bump update, all my symptoms are there. I can see what symptoms I had on what day, for how long. I can then take that to the midwife and show the midwife, and I think it's just a really good thing to do, especially when the baby's here. It'll be really good. just boiled, and basically what I'm doing is I have a mop and a bucket, and I'm just going to fill it up. I'm going to put a tiny bit of bleach. I'm literally just using bog standard Aldi bleach. I don't find that any bleach works any different to any other bleach. And then I'm going to use some foaming bathroom spray from the Co-op. Again, I don't really find that there's any sort of one that works better. I do use this, the Glade in Floral Bloom. I absolutely love the smell of this. So I don't tend to use like perfume stuff when cleaning like the bathroom and the kitchen area, just because I feel like if it's perfumed it doesn't work as well. So yeah, that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to clean the bath and the like bathroom area. What I really need to do though is we have like this cupboard inbuilt into our bathroom, and it is full of like empty bottles and stuff, so I need to basically like clear out that cupboard and recycle all the bottles. So this is the cupboard in our bathroom. Up here is where we keep our toilet roll and our towels. At the moment you can see I washed all of our towels last night, so they're drying. Then we've got our baby area. Just because it says baby girl doesn't mean we're having a girl. It does say baby boy on the other side. I don't know if you can see, but it was just something that we had from our baby shower, and it just keeps everything in there nicely. But this is mine and Harry's area. I mean, it's an absolute joke, as you can see. We have like a box of like medication at the back and stuff like that. But yeah, a lot of this is like empty, so like this is empty and this is empty. So yeah, I need to just sort that out. So this is the progress. I think I've done really, really well actually. Baby's area is still looking good. What I need to get really is one of those things that attaches to the bath, so that when we're actually bathing the baby, it's all just there instead of like having to move up. But it does look really girly, doesn't it? I'm sorry. I promise. This is like full of like all like talc and cotton buds and everything that we got from the baby shower. But yeah, I've like just sectioned everything off, so everything's mine here. Then in the middle we've got like shampoos and conditioners and stuff. We've got all our medication and my pads at the back, and then all of Harry's stuff. I do realise that Harry's stuff actually does say Harry's on it, but he subscribes to like a shaving like, you know how girls have like Birchbox and stuff like that. Harry subscribes to a male version of it, and it is like different shaving products, and they're really, really good, and you can subscribe to different like levels of it, so you can get like either loads a month if you shave loads, or like Harry, he doesn't really shave his like stubble a lot. Sorry, the door keeps opening, it's really annoying me. But yeah, he subscribes to that, and it's called Harry's. So yeah, everything that Harry uses is actually like got his name on it, which is like, you know, great. Also, if you're wondering, that's like, we don't keep everything in that cupboard. That's like basically just like all the stuff that we don't really use often. All the stuff that we use on like a daily basis is here, which is right next to bathway. Hi, see, there's the bath and the shower and that. But I got this from TK Maxx for like £7. It's really good because we can just keep all the stuff that we use on a regular basis. So we've got like my Clean and Clear, Harry's hairspray, we've got bubble bath and shampoo and his razors, and then in here we've got like more Harry stuff and some like Lush stuff. So yeah, that's everything that we use on a daily basis. But I'm going to take everything like this. Oh my god, this is my favourite. I've talked about this in a favourites video that's going up soon. But I'm going to take everything out of the bathroom and just put it, I think, on the washing machine there, just so I can like clean all the surfaces. So I have literally just like completely cleaned the bathroom, and I didn't show you any clips of it, but that's just because I find it really difficult because it is such a small bathroom. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to chill for a bit, watch a bit of This Morning, do some work on my laptop, and then I am going to start on the living room. I have ironed, I have vacuumed, I have polished, I have mopped the floor, and now I am so tired. I need to go upstairs and do upstairs now. But it is like, let me see what time it is. It is about 3:30. So I've got like ages and ages before like Harry comes home. So yeah, but taking a bit of a break now. I've made myself a massive cup of tea. So I've made that and I'm gonna sit and drink it and watch a bit of Jersey Shore because that is my current obsession for some reason, and let all my like muscles and that calm down because they're really hurting now. And then when I feel a bit better, go upstairs. So I'm currently in the baby's room. I basically, well, got a massive ladder there. I basically just chilled for a bit because, as I said, I was like really achy. But as you can see, the room is like, let me try and show you. When you first walk into the baby's room, you've got this big ladder that we need to move, but it's because we used it to do the painting. We've got the cot, that's from John Lewis. We painted this wall, and then that's from John Lewis, changing table, and then we've got like this massive space, such a big room, big windows, and then we've got this unit here from IKEA with the boxes from IKEA as well. But we've got all this stuff here. This is full of stuff that needs to go up on the wall, and then this is like the bath, and that we haven't put this downstairs yet though because our bathroom, as I've said, is quite small, and we basically thought we'll just keep it up here for now. There's different sized stuff as well, so I think I might sort that out now and take that downstairs because they've got the bath in there, but then there's like toys and that in there which can go downstairs and go in the baby's area of the cupboard. But I have got like, there's nothing on the walls. I feel like it's just such a boring room. Frame and put this bunting on the wall, but that is literally it. Like, I made such a mess. I was trying to put a shelf up on that wall, and for some reason the nails that we bought like won't go into any of the walls, and it's really annoying because it went into the one wall, and then when I tried to put it like in the other walls, I know that that one you can't put them in because it's like a thick chimney breast, and we had the same problem in our front room, and you have to like drill it in. But we had something up on this wall before with the exact same nails and it went in, and now for some reason the nails won't go in. So I'm having like such a bit of a stress out really trying to get the stuff up, just because I'm making like such a loud noise, and I'm thinking, oh my god, how am I going to do this when the baby's here? So yeah, trying to get some stuff up, but like literally all I've got to put up is that shelving unit and the box shelves, and I can't get them up. So it's annoying because I'm going to have to then, I think I might have to ask my dad to bring around some nails or something so I can put them up. But yeah, not going well. So I'm going to end the vlog here. I know it's a bit of a weird, abrupt ending, but thank you so much for watching this vlog. I may vlog tomorrow depending on how I'm feeling and what I'm actually doing, because I feel like the last couple of vlogs have just been me like at home doing nothing, which is pretty much what I do, but like it gets a bit boring after you've filmed it about 6 times. So please hit subscribe and like, and I am uploading some main channel videos soon and hopefully having a baby, so that will be, you know, really fun to subscribe to. Love you all, thanks for watching, bye.